The printer in front of me is the Epson Stylus Pro 3880. Right now, we will go through the process of removing the printhead. This is the back of the printer right now. There will be 5 screws that we need to remove. One will be here, 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 and there's one more on the side over here. After all the screws are removed, carefully remove the bottom piece bracket. Like such. Right now we'll remove the screws in front of the printer. First off, you press over here to release this part. There will be 3 screws to remove. One will be here, here, and here. So let's start. After the screws are removed, we'll pull these 2 parts out. One's here, and the other one's right here. Pops right out. After those 2 parts are removed, there will be 2 more screws that we need to remove. One is right here, and the other one's right over here. After those screws are removed, we can pull this part up over here. And then we need to remove all the ink cartridge over there. Each ink cartridge has a little gray lever on top of it. Just press it and it will release like such. So I'm gonna go ahead and release off all of them and pull them all out. After that, we will remove the side panels of this printer. Just one on each side, so we just pull it off. One is removed over here. Now this is the other side of the printer. We'll remove the side panels now. Now this is the right hand side of the printer. If you're looking at it from the front, is the right hand side. There will be 4 screws that you need to remove. There will be one right here, one right here, one on the side over here, and there's actually one more behind this ribbon right over here, this little white strap. I'll go ahead and remove them right now. After the screws are removed, you pull the ribbon right over here, just like that. This is the left hand side of the printer if you're looking at it from the front. So there'll be 3 screws that you need to remove. One over here, here, and one on the side over here. Now I'll go ahead and remove the screws. After the screws are removed, just carefully open up this panel, and then you can see there are wires right here running along the side over here. Just carefully detach them from this plastic over here, this plastic. Just lightly pull it off. And that's it. Right now I am going to remove this black panel in front of the printer. Right here. It'll pop right off. And there's a screw right over here that you need to remove. Right over here. So I'll remove it right now. After that is removed, we can remove this part right above here. It'll pop right off. After that part is removed, I'll open the top panel over here and just carefully just rip this part right off, like such. After that part is removed, the print head, the container containing the print head is exposed. There will be 3 screws that you need to remove. One is over here, inside over here, and another one on the side over here. Now go ahead and remove them. After that, we can remove this little bracket right here, and the print head is exposed. Now we can visibly see the print head. We need to remove 4 more screws. One's over here, another one here, here, and the last one's right over here. Okay, so there actually is one more screw right over here. You need to remove that screw right over there where I'm pointing at right now, exactly right there, so we can remove the print head. After that screw is removed, you pull this little metal part right here out, apply a little bit of force, and pull this guy out right here. Right now you're looking at the print head itself. I removed the screw right over here first. Along this middle piece, put it aside. And then there's this little pink one right over here is also another screw. You remove that too. But before we remove the print head, we need to carefully pull this ribbon out first. These things are kind of stubborn, so be careful. As always, right now in the video you'll be seeing that I'm not wearing gloves, but make sure to wear gloves when you're doing this to protect yourself and protect yourself from the ink that might get onto you. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. There's actually another screw on the corner over there, so we need to remove that one too. After that screw is removed, remove this metal plate, like such. So you can see the print head right here. We'll carefully remove it. Slowly take it out. And here you go. We have the print head. Right here. This is what it looks like. As usual, we need to tape this part right over here to prevent any ink from going onto this chip right over here.